Om Namo Narayana. You are doing wonderful by the light and grace of divinity. Today we are going to discuss from the complete works of Swami Vivekananda, Volume 8. We are going to understand the conception of God in accordance to Vedanta that Reverend Swami Vivekananda has portrayed. What is the God of Vedanta? He is principle, not person. You and I are all personal gods. The absolute God of the universe, the creator, preserver, and destroyer of the universe is impersonal principle. You and I, the cat, rat, devil, and ghosts, all are its person. All are personal gods. You want to worship personal gods? It is the worship of your own self. If you take my advice, you will never enter any charge. Come out and go and wash off. Wash off yourself again and again until you are cleaned of all the superstitions that have clung to you through the ages. I have been asked many times, why do you laugh so much and make so many jokes? I become serious sometimes when I have stomachache. The Lord is all blissfulness. He is the reality behind all that exists. He is the goodness, the truth in everything. You are His incarnations. That is what is glorious. The nearer you are to Him, the less you will have occasions to cry or weep. The further we are from Him, the more will long faces come. The more we know of Him, the more misery vanishes. God is the infinite impersonal being, ever existent, unchanging, immortal, fearless, and you are all His incarnations, His embodiments. This is the God of Vedanta, and His heaven is everywhere. Let the light and blessing of Reverend Swami Vivekananda shine upon us and give us strength, wisdom, and courage to progress in the path of divinity. Thank you all. Stay blessed. Om Namo Naranaya.